Decentralized AI. What is it and how will it evolve? Decentralized AI on the internet computer represents a paradigm shift in how we develop, deploy, and interact with artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional AI models that reside on centralized servers, decentralized AI leverages the internet computer's blockchain technology to run AI models directly on-chain. This seemingly simple change unlocks a world of benefits and paves the way for a more democratic and trustworthy AI landscape. Some key benefits of AI on-chain include things like transparency and trust, since on-chain AI models are inherently transparent. That means the code, data, and trading process can be audited on the blockchain, which eliminates the black box problem of centralized AI. This fosters trust among users and stakeholders as they can verify how AI decisions are being made. Running AI models on the internet computer enhances security and privacy as well. Data used for training and inference can be kept private as the computations happen within the secure environment of the blockchain. This kind of thing is crucial for sensitive applications like healthcare or finance. Decentralized AI also democratizes access to AI. So anyone can potentially contribute to the development and governance of an AI model. And this fosters a more inclusive and collaborative AI ecosystem, eliminating the control of AI by a few powerful entities that may be using closed source software like OpenAI. Decentralized AI also promotes interoperability. AI models on the internet computer can seamlessly interact with other on-chain applications and services. And this helps to create a rich ecosystem of interconnected AI solutions, which of course is going to foster innovation and unlocks new possibilities for AI applications. So now I've covered the benefits of decentralized AI, but now I want to cover some of the predictions on how we might see this evolve in the coming years. For starters, we'll likely see the emergence of autonomous AI agents sooner than people may think, and our team here at Yuku is actively working on bringing this vision to life. Imagine AI models that can act independently and make decisions on behalf of their users. These autonomous agents could manage your finances, automate tasks, or even participate in decentralized governance. The internet computer's on-chain environment provides the perfect foundation for developing and deploying these kinds of agents. Another exciting capability is AI-powered DAOs. Now, for those of you not familiar, DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization, and it's essentially an on-chain and community-governed platform or project which functions through proposals and community votes. Combining a DAO with decentralized AI can create a whole new type of governance. AI models could automate decision-making processes, optimize resource allocation, and even propose new rules for the DAO that the community can vote on, leading to more efficient and transparent governance. In fact, we already have an example of this being implemented on the IC through a project called alice.fun, created by bob.fun. Alice, the AI managing the DAO, is able to do things like trade, mine for Bob tokens, create its own token on the Bob Launchpad, and even vote on proposals. This is a pretty exciting concept, and the best part is, decentralized AI is just getting started. Another exciting direction AI is evolving is toward gaming and metaverse enhancements. Through the work many researchers and companies are doing, we can see strong evidence that AI will soon be used to generate game content or virtual experiences in real time. Now, this could find utility in many ways, from helping to create more exciting games that change according to your enjoyment or reactions, or even just making high quality game development more accessible to creators. Take the Yuku metaverse, for example. Imagine instead of a predefined world with rules set in stone, it had elements of AI control. This could allow for the world to be changed or adapted in real time for users, depending on a variety of factors like engagement, users online, data indicating user preference for certain things. And it's likely this will change how we think about gaming forever as these kinds of things begin to get rolled out. And so it's an exciting time, and there's a lot of exciting AI products being built out on the internet computer. And our team here at Yuku is eager to watch how it evolves with so many brilliant teams building here. So, if you're feeling like we do, and you're excited for the future of AI and want to see more content like this, be sure to follow us here and on our Twitter at Yuku app.